How to use Spotify songs as ringtone on your Android. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily set up any Spotify song as your ringtone. Let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is open up your Spotify application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you need to do is find the song that you want to set as your ringtone. But you have to note that if you tap on any one of the songs, so for example this one, you will need the premium version of Spotify to download the song. So just go ahead and tap on the download option once you find it. Or if you don't have the premium Spotify, you can go to this premium tab and you can start premium for as little as $0. You could just try it for free for 1 month. And if you don't like it, you could always get your payment back. So what it does is it will give you ad-free music, download to listen offline, and once you are able to download your songs, you can easily set this as your ringtone. So let me just show you guys how you can do that. Open up your settings, and then go to your sounds and vibrations. Right here you'll find ringtone, so tap on ringtone. Then if you want to add custom ringtone, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon and then select any music that you want. So let me just go ahead and select a random one. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and select this one right here and then tap on done, and then you should be good to go. So that's how you basically change your ringtone into a Spotify song. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.